SceneThat Walking Tours is an immersive experience to explore the rich history of downtown Huntsville. SceneThat Walking Tours allows our guests to walk along the paths of historic events in downtown Huntsville, as well as to stand in the shadows of history makers. In the span of 1 or 2 hours, we will discover key places and key people who have had an impact upon our community. The narrative and the storytelling is the key ingredient in SceneThat Walking Tours. Our mission is to bring history alive and make the events real and applicable to today. Most importantly, SceneThat Walking Tours gives you information that you can share with friends, family, colleagues to keep history alive. Beyond looking at a statue and beyond reading the inscription on a monument, SceneThat Walking Tours helps you understand why the significant area or person is important and what is the footprint upon the community. Our guests have an alternative to a walking tour. The other option is a step-on guide. SceneThat Walking Tours will connect with your existing group. We can navigate the same tour trajectory, but instead of walking, we will utilize the existing transportation that is provided for your group and by your group. SceneThat Walking Tours will ride along with you so that your group can experience the historic sites without walking. Downtown Huntsville has so much to offer. There is history around every street corner. We welcome you to downtown Huntsville, and we welcome you to take a walking tour to see and experience the community, the culture, the climate, and the commerce of one of the South's most emerging cities, Huntsville, Alabama.